Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to start with a new series in which I have come up with a new method of learning. So here what I'll do is I'll take a new topic every single day which will be very basic, day-to-day, used in our conversations, which I actually do. Okay, so I'll take those topics and I'll help you with some vocabulary related to that topic. I'm going to talk about some phrases which you can use as it is while speaking on that topic. And I'm going to come up with a sentence or a write-up at the end of my session, wherein you'll know how to come up with sentences with those vocabularies and phrases which I've already spoken about. And you can also do shadowing practice along, right? You can take up the topic, you can speak with me, you can repeat with me or after me, whichever is convenient, but start shadowing with me. Okay, so these are the 3 steps I'm going to introduce in my session so that it becomes easier for you to catch up and learn it better. Okay, so this will be very convenient for you. Give it a try, see if it works for you. And I'm very sure it is going to help you a lot in your speaking practice and your fluency and confidence. So let's get straight into the topic. But before that, I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And you can trust me on this. Now let's start. So today I'm going to take up a very simple and basic topic about how YouTube has changed the way we learn things or we learn new skills. So we are going to talk about it. It's very interesting, guys, and it's very simple. We know in my time, we used to read books and textbooks, and that was a source of information. But now it is not limited to books, textbooks, and classrooms. It has more to it. YouTube is a platform which is full of learnings, which is full of knowledge, and we can just browse it and we can learn different skills. We can gain knowledge and grow our skills. So that is what we are going to talk today in this session. Now let's come to vocabulary first. What are the related vocabularies we can use to speak on this topic? First one is platform. What a platform means: a place where people share content, or a digital space where people share their content, which is called a platform, right? Next is content creator. Someone who makes and uploads videos or share their videos is called a content creator. Okay, next word is tutorial. Tutorial. A step-by-step guide to learning something, right? Next word is accessible. Accessible, easy to reach or use. Okay, so that is accessible. Engaging, we speak about engaging content. Interesting and attention grabbing is called engaging. Next is interactive. Allowing participation or interaction is called interactive. Some contents are interactive also. Okay, global audience. People from all over the world who are watching. It's called a global audience. Like, I have a global audience, right? Monetization, earning money from videos. Algorithm, this is a very important word related to social media. Algorithm, it is everything. So it means that's the system which recommends videos. For example, if I see a lot of podcasts, so it will start recommending me podcasts. If I start watching a lot of food videos or cooking videos, so it is going to suggest me those. So that is the algorithm. That is a system which recommends videos. Community. Community means a group of people with shared interests. There's a community tab on my YouTube channel, right? Which means there are a group of people who have similar interests, which is my subscribers base as well. Now, next part is, let's talk about some phrases which we can use as it is when we are discussing about this topic or on this topic, or we are talking about benefits of YouTube or the kind of system which the YouTube has created, or how studies have changed, or how learnings have changed, any topic this is going to suit. Okay, we can talk about on this topic in multiple ways, in many ways, and on different topics, right? So let's come to some phrases which will help us to speak on it. Number 1, YouTube has become a powerful platform for learning. Okay, YouTube has become a powerful platform for learning. You can repeat this also after me. Next sentence. Many content creators share tutorials that make skills more accessible. Many content creators share tutorials which make skills more accessible. Now, these all words we have already mentioned, the vocabulary we have already mentioned, and we know what it means. Now, I'm just using those vocabularies in sentences. So these are phrases or sentences which you can use as it is while speaking about social media or a YouTube platform or any other learning platforms. You can use these phrases or sentences to talk about it. Next sentence is, it allows global audience to connect with each other. It allows learners to connect with global audience. It allows learners to connect with global audience. Right? The algorithm often suggests videos based on our interests. The algorithm often suggests videos based on our interests. The algorithm often suggests the videos based on our interests. Unlike traditional classrooms, YouTube offers engaging and interactive sessions or lessons. Okay, so this is another sentence which we can use. Unlike traditional classrooms, YouTube offers engaging and interactive lessons or sessions, whatever you want to use. Next sentence is, people can even monetize their knowledge by teaching online. Right? People can even monetize their knowledge by teaching online, which I'm doing. Right? So this is how we can come up with sentences, right? Using that vocabulary, or these are phrases also which we can use as it is. Okay. Now here what you can do is you can just try to remember the vocabulary, use it, understand its meaning, try coming up with 1 or 2 sentences on your own about it. Then come to the next part, which is phrases or sentences which I've used. You can start speaking along with, you can shadow these phrases with me or these sentences with me. I've spoken it very clearly, so you can take that. So you can repeat with me. First try to repeat after me and then try to repeat with me so that you can catch the pace, the rhythm, the intonation and everything else. Okay, so as to prepare yourself to start speaking about it. This is one thing you can do. And the last part is, I'm going to give a write-up to you. I'm going to speak about it in some few sentences, like 8 to 10 sentences I'm going to speak about it. Okay, and I'll give the write-up also on screen so that you can start practicing it along with me and you can start practicing it on your own. So this will be a shadowing practice for you. So this session is a package completely. So you will learn vocabulary, you will learn how to make sentences with those words or phrases which you can use. And then the last part is you will get a write-up also where you can start speaking about on that topic and you can start shadowing with me. Okay, so let's start with the shadowing practice. So this is a write-up I have prepared. I'm going to speak now. And what you have to do is you can start repeating after me and then you can start repeating with me. Okay, for shadowing practice. Today, I want to talk about how YouTube has changed the way people learn new skills. In the past, most people relied on books, teachers, or formal classes. But now, YouTube has become a powerful platform that makes learning more accessible and engaging. I hope I'm not going too fast. You can pause my video, you can listen to me and then speak. Okay, next part. On YouTube, millions of content creators share tutorials on almost every subject. Whether it's cooking, coding, music, or languages. These tutorials are interactive and easy to follow, which helps learners practice step by step. The algorithm also recommends videos based on our interests, so we can discover new topics without searching too much. Another important point is the global audience. People from different countries can connect, share ideas, and build communities around learning. For example, someone in India can learn guitar from a teacher in the United States, all through a free video. This shows how technology has made education borderless. Finally, YouTube has also created opportunities for teachers and experts to monetize their knowledge. By sharing lessons online, they can reach thousands of students and even earn money while teaching. In conclusion, YouTube is more than just entertainment. It is a modern classroom. It has transformed learning into something interactive, accessible, and global. I believe this platform will continue to inspire people to explore new skills and knowledge in the future. So guys, this is how I spoke about how YouTube has changed our learning experience, or how it has changed our method of learning things. Okay, so this was a small write-up which I've come up with for you to practice shadowing with me. So guys, in this way, I'm going to come up with as many sessions as I can. So I'm going to continue with this. I'll take different topics every single day so that it becomes easier for you to start speaking in English, start practicing in English, and start learning new vocabularies, new phrases, sentence construction, and how to speak about it. Okay, like you can start with the shadowing session. Okay, this is actually going to help you to get confident and fluent in speaking in English. And you will know how to talk about on different topics also. You will gain knowledge, you will gain understanding, you will gain confidence and fluency. You start practicing it in this way. So follow all my sessions and you will definitely become fluent and confident in speaking in English in no time. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.